Yeah, good morning, everyone. Uh, Happy Diwali to all. Uh, what we had seen that yesterday, US market had seen some decline. Uh, the GDP number came bit lower, marginally lower by at 2.8% versus last quarter, last month 2.9, and last estimate of 2.9 and last quarter 3%. Apart from that, few of the results had triggered this marginal decline, and even the futures are soft as Microsoft announced the result, which was ahead, but the guidance what Microsoft has given were below market expectations. As such, the stock is down in the future market, and which is leading to the US market correction as well. A lot of results are there today and tomorrow in US market, including Apple and Amazon. So that will keep on driving the market in the US. Apart from that, Asian market, China had seen PMI in above 50 about 50, which indicate growth. So PMI came in at 50.1 versus expectation of 49.9. So that will act as positive. But apart from that, if you see the Japanese market has kept the interest rate unchanged, and there is an uncertainty on political ground over there. So that is keeping some sentiment low. Apart from that, most of the Asian markets are low except China and Hong Kong, which are seeing a positive trend post these data. Other markets are indicating a softer start or are showing a negative trend. Uh, so taking clue from all these things, Indian market are also indicating that will be opening lower. So today being first day of settlement, we may see some volatility in the trade. Overall, what we see that the market which was struggling till date may see some respite, and normally we see the change in the trend post the settlement. So in a 1 or 2 day, the direction for the coming settlement will emerge. We see that the direction should be, we had seen a good sell-off, and now we should see some positive trend from here for the coming period. I'll request technical team to take up from here.
Thank you, sir. Good morning, all of you. Wish you happy Diwali to all. Today we expect gap down open and we see some sideways momentum within the range. Yesterday, Nifty struggled to sustain above the 24,500 and Nifty facing that resistance in upside 24,500 and then 24,600 in upside. Downside majorly support place around 24 to 50 for intraday and today's session. If Nifty break this range and close below that, then we expect further sell off towards 24,160, 24,100 at downside. So overall, today's setup is we expect some volatility in index. Bank Nifty also trading near the support zone and first immediate support place around 51,540 and below that 51,300 and 51,000 the major resistance for Bank Nifty. Nifty upside 52,000 is first immediate resistance for Bank Nifty, and Bank Nifty it break 52,000 and above range, then we expect further rally towards 52 440 and 500 and upside. But last two trading session we saw that Bank Nifty facing the resistance around 51,800 and 52,000 in range. To be closely watch this range with few trading session. So both index we expect some negative open and we see first half an hour is cover. Then we expect a rally. Otherwise, if trading below the important support zone in first half an hour, then we expect further sell off today's session. Nifty also trading near support zone. That first support place around 24,140 and below that 24,000 next majorly support place in Fin Nifty. Upside 24,340 is the first immediate resistance for Fin Nifty. Stock specific AB Capital looks positive at current level. Balrampur Chini also looks positive currently. Negative side, Cholafin looks weak at current level. Havels also looks weak in current level. And Navin Fluoro in positive side. PL also in the positive side. We already given call in PL. Those have, they can hold it. That's it for technical derivative I can claim.
Yeah, thank you. Good morning, everyone. On the derivatives front, as you witnessed, that Nifty is managing this range of 24,000 to 24,500 level. While in yesterday's session, we have seen that from 24,500 level, major supply has been witnessed in the second half. So, from last 3 days of trading session, Nifty is continuously witnessing some liquidation near 24,400 to 500 range. Currently, we are seeing that 24,000 is holding the strong support for the next month of the series for the October series where put at the positions are holding strongly. Once if Nifty goes below 24,000 mark, then we will see again next leg of selling in the market because in this pullback rally we have witnessed that the pullback is being seen strongly from the stock specific front from the but from the index specific front the resistance is not yet been cleared from the Nifty front. So we should be little cautious because India VIX right now closed at 15.51 level. So it has closed above the resistance zone, and in the next week of a trading session, we will witness the event coming out from the US election, due to which the India VIX is likely to shoot up towards 20 to 25 range. At that point of time, the volatility will be very high. So for today or for next 1 to 2 days of trading session, the support for the Nifty lies at 24,200 mark. Below that 24,000 level will come. So once if Nifty goes below 24,200 level, then we should be little cautious of with the short positions, with the long positions, and should place the support stop losses for the long positions. While PCR closed at the supportive zone of 0.91 level, if PCR goes below 0.78 level, then the fresh short position will get added on. But if PCR goes above 0.98 level in today's second half, then again we will witness some buying momentum toward 24,450 to 500 level. So hold the long position with the support of 24,200 level. If it goes below that level, then long need to be exited. The counter that looks positive in today's session will be Excel Industry, AB Capital, and SBI Card looks positive. While on the negative front, Torrent Pharma, Voltas, and Dixon looks negative in today's session. So that's it from better to front. Thank you.
Good morning. Happy Diwali to everyone. On the news front, like Microsoft, global IT firm Capgemini also has cut its revenue target for 2024. This is the second time in this year it has cut the revenue target. So it now expects a decline in revenues between 2 to 2.4% against earlier forecast of 0.5 to 1.5%. So this can be negative for the IT companies today. Thank you.
Good morning. Yesterday, Aditya Birla Capital reported its result. The result has improved. Its segmental revenue, where like NBFC revenue came at 3,635 crore year on year, and quarter on quarter 3,505 crores. Life insurance revenue came at 5,547 crore versus quarter on quarter 4,399 crore. Asset management revenue came at 519 crore versus quarter on quarter 481 crore. Health insurance revenue came at 1090 crore versus quarter on quarter 983 crores. So the total segmental revenue came at 36% year on year and 17% quarter on quarter. It PAT came at 42% year on year and 34% quarter on quarter. AMC AUM came at 23.3% year on year and 8.7% quarter on quarter. So the outlook is positive. Thank you.
Yeah, apart from this, Tata Power has reported numbers, and the numbers were ahead of expectations, wherein margin came ahead of expectation at uh, 37 billion versus expectation of 31 billion, and last quarter 36 billion. Uh, so overall outlook, considering their diversification in different aspects of the power business, not only traditional thermal power, the company has a very big portfolio in other segment also. Considering all that, the outlook continue to remain positive for Tata Power. Then L&T announced the results, and results were above expectations. The execution has shown strong growth in this quarter, even though we had heavy rainy seasons. But apart from that, the execution in infra and infra-related businesses, engineering businesses, all were quite strong. Though order booking in this quarter has declined by 10%, but management has maintained its guidance of 10% growth in inflow and 15% growth in revenue, with keeping the margin stable. So overall business has shown growth, whereas order booking is delayed, which may be coming in the second half. Management has indicated that the second half order booking will be quite strong. So the stock is trading at around 24 time FY26 earnings. The outlook is long-term positive for L&T. I'll request commodity team to take up from here.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Good morning, everyone. Wishing you all a happy Diwali. In today's session, we are expecting gold prices to test 80,000 on the higher end. So buying on dips around 79,500 is recommended. As long as it is holding 79,200, we expect prices, the positive momentum to continue. And in silver, one should witness a support area around 96,500. So as long as it is holding on, one can buy for a pullback. And on upside again, 98,000, 98,200 is the level where one should take profits. In crude oil, we are expecting positive momentum. Pullback should be witnessed till 58.70, 58.80. So buying around 57.80 is recommended with a stop loss of 5,700. And in natural gas, there could be some correction till 232, 230. So sell around 239 with a stop loss of 246. In metals, copper prices are expected to test 848, 850 levels on upside. So buying around 842 is recommended with a stop loss of 837. Whereas zinc prices are witnessing a resistance around 290, though prices are reaching higher 290 levels, but again the closing on closing basis it is resisting 290. So for trading one can sell around 290 with a stop loss of 292, and on downside again 287, 286 one should take profits. That's it from us. Thank you very much.